My name is Carlos Leon from Levil Technology. I'm going to show you how to do manual operations on the LMV 400 machining center. The first thing we want to learn is how to jog the axis in a jogging mode. So do select jog, set the override at 100%, and now we can move the axis using the jog keys. So we want to move to the right, to the left, up and down. You can see up and down would be the Z-axis. And if we want to move fast, we can press the rapid as well as the axis that we want to move. The other way we can jog the axis is using the hand wheel. The hand wheel, we choose handle, and then we choose which axis we want to move. For example, let's move the X-axis. Either minus or plus is the same. And then we choose at what speed we want to move. 100 is a nice speed for moving fast. As you can see, we can move right and left. If we change the axis, we can move forward and back, also with the Z. Each of these is a different speed. So if we put X1, each line here will represent 1/10, as you can see on the screen. One-tenth. X10 is 1,000. X100 is 10,000, etc., etc. After we are sure we can move the axis with the hand wheel and we know how to use it, we can install some tools. I'm going to put an end mill in the tool rack. The end mill facing down on tool number 1. Then I'm going to do a drill on tool number 10, a tap, tool number 9, and then the edge finder on tool number 6. Once I have all the tools in there, I can practice a tool change. I have my training manual here, and I'm going to follow exactly the steps that are in the manual. So MDI tool change, page 1. I close the door, and then I follow the steps. Step number 1, press reset. Step number 2, MDI mode. Then prog and program on the screen. Then I type in the tool I want. T02M6 EOB. It's very important to input EOB. Now we're going to do a tool change. We're going to use the training manual to follow the steps exactly as they are here. I'm going to follow page 1, which is MDI tool change. So the first step is press reset, then MDI mode here. Press program on the keyboard, prog, and then program on the screen, program. Then I type in the tool I want, say it's tool number 1. So T1 is typing it here. Then M6, which means tool change. It's very important to include an EOB, the EOB key, which shows as a semicolon on the screen. Step 6, I press insert on the keyboard and cycle start. Whenever I do cycle start, it's very important to bring the override to 0 so I can control the machine movement. I don't want it to go at 100% doing an automatic operation. So I press cycle start, the light turns on. It's not moving because I have it in 0. Okay, now you can see the tool change. Okay, now we have tool number 1 on the spindle. Now let's do page 2, which is to turn on the spindle. Very similar. Follow the steps. Number 1, press reset. MDI mode. Press prog on the keyboard. Press program. And then we can whatever RPM we want. So M3, no spaces necessary. S1000. I can put whatever RPM I want. If I want S6000, whatever I need. And don't forget the EOB for all MDI operations. Then I press insert. And again, I'm ready. Cycle start. I bring this down to 0. Don't forget, cycle start. So now the machine is spinning at 1000 RPM. I can turn the spindle off. If I'm in jog mode or handle mode, I can control the spindle from here. I can turn it off here or back on. I have to press for 2 seconds and it's on. And that's all for the manual operation of the machine.